Okay guys, welcome to my videos. Today I would like to explain and describe about syntax. The next topic in linguistics. Um Syntax is the study of structure. We know that. And structure is it means analysis and analyzing or analyzing sentence. In syntax or syntactic or syntaxis in Indonesia, we learn about language in and in syntax we know that when we speak with speak in English language, we know that we know that we speak we speak with is good structure or good grammar, like the way we speak the way we speak to people. We know that we use is it noun, verb, adverb, and it's the pronoun that we use, like for example, when we talk about our when we talk to our friend, like, can you help me? Is it like the can is can that we use to talk uh to our friend uh is us or like order something, like, can you help me? And when we talk to our lectures, uh it cannot like, can you help me, sir? It's unpolite. We cannot use that sentence to ask something that we need from other people. When we ask our lectures, like, uh, uh, excuse me, ma'am or sir, pardon me, I'm sorry for disturbing you. Could you help me, please, ma'am? Could you please, miss? Could could you help me, please, sir? Like that. We use could as or how to we order the something from our lectures, and we use please in the end of the sentence to make to make the formal situation, and we become polite. So in analyzing sentence, I use this book. I got this book from Pak Yusdi. Pak Yusdi is the one lectures from English department in Dallas University. He is my favorite lectures in linguistics, because the way he teach the student is like yeah, like daughter and grandpa, I think. Yeah, it's because he's very funny. In this book is an introduction to English syntax, is the third edition by Noel Burton Robert, analyzing sentence. In this book, the writer mentioned that the concept of structure is fundamental to the study of syntax, but it is a very general concept that can be applied to any complex thing, whether it's bicycle, a commercial company, or a carbon molecule. When we say of a thing that it is complex, we mean not that it's complicated, or though of course it might be. Uh, in the other book that I use is the study of language, is the third edition by George Joule, is from Cambridge University. Syntax is a generative grammar. Define the syntactic structure of a language. The grammar will generate other well-formed syntactic structure or sentence. of the language and will not generate any ill-formed structure. The grammar will have a finite number of rules, but will be capable of generating an infinite number of well-formed structure. In this way, the productivity of language will be captured within the grammar. And after I told you that syntax is more focused for our grammar. How we can how we know our mistakes when say something and with grammatical mistakes. And I will show you that sentence structure is sentence. I write sentence. We make a small like as. Sentence consists of a subject. It is subject, but Pak Yusdi told me that the pronoun is not subject but subject. It is subject and predicate and object. This sentence is subject, predicate, and object. We call it a syntactic function. Syntactic function. And in subject consists of noun phrase or constituent, and for constituent, and for predicate we can verb phrase or constituent also, and for the object is noun phrase is constituent. The noun phrase, verb phrase, and noun phrase also we call that categorize. Is the categorize of syntax. And in syntax we how to say, we cut the sentence into two and constituent that I mean is consists of two. This categorized of word class. Word class is noun, adjective, adverb, verb. And I have an example for noun phrase. Where's my, oh my god, I lost my pencil. For the noun for example is boy. Boy is noun. And when noun plus adjective, the boy become big boy, because boy is noun and big is an adjective, so noun plus adjective become big boy. When noun plus article, the boy become the boy, because article article is two and the a boy and the boy. And when the article plus an adjective and plus an noun, the boy become the big boy, So for that example, we can create that big boy, the big boy. We make a branch. Like this, and we create is a noun phrase and verb phrase like this. Is a noun phrase and a verb phrase. Oh my god, the noun phrase consists of two. The first is article is the, and consists of of adjective, an adjective is big. And for the verb phrase consists of noun, it is a boy. Like this. For example, the example of syntax is like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. That's all for my explanation, and thank you.